I'm doing it for my son.
I'm doing it for my mother.
And I'm doing it for my Touch Rugby team.
For my mom and my granny.
For Mema Tumelo.
I'm doing it so that I can reconnect with my fellow musicians.
Who are you doing it for?
Who are you doing it for?
Who are you doing it for?
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. Kaizer Chiefs, Soweto Football Club, Soweto Derby. Easy peasy for Chiefs. Maybe nervy because of conceding, but of course it's a 3-point and a win and a few goals too. Umachaga was missing his steering. His steering Sakos Builand. How are you feeling?
Good sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, indeed, the steering is back. You know, I was able to see the starting lineup. You know, but all in all, let me congratulate the Tlama boys. You know, yes, 3 points at the back against Solos. Yeah, before I came here, I mean, against Solos, I mean, anybody knows that when you play against Solos, you must just know that it's either a draw or a win against Solos. No, don't give Solos any win. It's either a draw or they win against Solos. You could even see Solos how they play, my brother. It's like they are maybe in the mirage or maybe Bashatis or something because they are trying to pick this football. Yeah. Nothing much, nothing major. Yeah, they are pretty on the ball, but nothing major is happening. Even they scored, but I'm just trying to just to give you an example. All in all, Nguluk is great football. Sterling is back. Dolly, when Sterling is back, Dolly is doing well as well. When Dolly is doing well, Sterling is back. So all of them, even Park as well, and I can even see that it's now trying to pick up when Dolly and Peter they are available. And also the interception of Agay. That led to that goal for Odoi.
He's a big player, okay.
Let me not say much about Agay, my brother. Even if he did well again to intercept that ball.
Player of the season.
Where? Not in South Africa. Not in South African football, Agay, my brother. Yes, but all in all, looks great football. Pakas is back. I think Story Pakistan now, I think, is watching Itiski TV. I always say that. He have to. He doesn't have a choice, my brother. Pakas is back. Majian is back. And Guluks, I think
it's all the players you were crying out for.
Yes, I mean last week I was talking about them. Yeah. But now they're back. The only player is Ngosing Piling as well. He should also get the game time as well. And Guluks, hopefully this young guys they'll get. More game time, just to make sure that they get that confidence back in Guluks. Yeah, but all in all, great goal, great game, Guluks. And even the first half, yes, it wasn't much, man, that you could see. Stars wanted to press us in the first half, especially in the beginning of the game, trying to get an early goal. But you know how Solos they play, my brother. But they were unable to do that. But I think the coach of Solos made a mistake not to put Okamaldin and others there before the game.
Yes,
you can't put your best players on the bench. It means
they're no striker.
Yes, I mean, Coach Solos said no. I think he has thrown in the towel. Said no, man. I'm fired. Why no? What more can I do? Because team draw and I lose. What more must I do? That is why I said no, man. Just put whoever man that can do the job on the field of play.
I was talking to the guys, and we always talk tactics, of course. Yeah. And one of the biggest criticisms, Kaizer Chiefs go okay, but rely too much on Kamapiliat and Kick and Dolly, which is true. What is also true is that even though Uli opposition, whatever, okay, Batao Shapaka, Biliat, Lidoli, it's more difficult to prepare for it. You already know. It's like at school, you know what you're going to write in exams, but you still have to remember it during your exam. Yeah, but we give you all the scoop, but you still have to remember it during exam. What makes Ukama not only difficult? Because all the teams, they know what's coming against them, but still Utol and Ukama are successful against them.
They are not static. They are the movement without the ball on Guluks. Movement make it difficult. My brother, I was a defender. I knew that coming to against a striker that is mobile, it will always give you a problem. Sometimes you get tired by just running after the striker. So I think that made them to tick as well. Pilat and Dolly always doing that, always moving up and down, left and right and center. And as a defender, you don't need a kind of player like that. Sometimes you need just to put the player outside just to make sure that you are okay on the field of play. So Nguluksi, that's the most difficult part that Dolly beat at was you can't mark them. You don't even know where they are. Sometimes yes, you are with them. Next thing is on the 7th position. Sometimes it's on the right side. So left and right. So you can't if you plan them, even though you are talking about exams. You
already know they're coming.
Yeah, but
you have to face them.
You have to face them. Yeah. So the question is, over face that you are. How do you face them? Whereas you are playing this kind kind of football that I think they were trying to play a football like Maritzburg and so forth, meaning playing a bumper to bumper, side to side football. So we don't need that kind of football from the Swallows. Swallows is a big team, but if they are not careful, Swallows, they'll be fighting relegation. We don't need to see a big team like Swallows going back to 13. No, we need them in the PSL. But I think the management of Swallows, even the coaching, the staff, they must do something now. It's now or never for Swallows, because this is a very hard time. It's going to be a hard pill to swallow for Swallows supporters. They've been through and thick with the Swallows into the team. But now, seeing Swallows down there, I don't think the supporters of Swallows will take it lightly. I'm just feeling sorry for them.
And they were threatening to strike as well in the middle of the week. We're going to protest against the continued employment of coach Brendan Truter as well, which is alarming. But maybe they, like you are saying, it's now or never. They need to do something about it.
Absolutely, Ngulus. Absolutely. I mean, you can't compare football and relationship. You can't do that. Yes, we know that in a relationship where now you can take your partner to Zanzibar. When you get there, your partner dumps you. You come back empty-handed. So, Zanzibar. Just imagine. You come back empty-handed with your partner. No, it means there's no honesty in football. So I'm trying to say, Swallows management, they must do justice to support us. I know I support Chiefs, but I mean, Swallows is a big team. We can't take anything away from that. So Swallows is trying to say they must make sure that they sit down, they fix their problem now. It's now or never. That's what I'm trying to say. So you can even see their coach. He's even eating some chippies, on the bench. He's not even standing and just trying to give instructions, because he knows deep down inside him, said that is the last game for me to make sure that I'm making a way for Swallows. Maybe somebody will come and do better, because a team like Swallows caliber, it cannot be there on the top part. Baxter and to the management, to the players, thanks very much for 3 points. But Baxter, let's make sure that I must still repeat it so that it sink in into his head. He must field these players that we are talking about. These creative players like Abongobo, he must field them. And Packers, he must field them. That's it, Ngulus. That's what we want. We want a carpet football, great football, quality football with a lot of goals, Ngulus. Then we'll be happy, smiling, going back home, going back to national. We'll be happy, all of us. So he mustn't fear other opponent. And congratulations once again to Amakosi. Well done. All right. Let's keep on improving. Sorry about that.
I know, but every time you win, it's like the video is never going to end every time you win. But anyways, well done to Kaizer Chiefs. Commiserations for East Swallows Football Club. There are problems there. I'm sure announcements will be made in the next 7 days. I'm sure it won't be special leave this time. They need to be decisive about where they want to go with the coaching, and of course even the way that the management is handling the first team. It is KTV, it is K Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you so much for watching us.